Guys, we will continue our series. This time we'll solve another example, and it's gonna be about polynomial. Okay, so consider a polynomial p of x, ax squared minus 4x plus 5. Calculate a such that minus 2 is a root of p of x. Remember, so I'm talking about part A now. Remember that if x minus 1, for example, is equal to 0, what does this mean? It means x is equal to 1. We know this. What are you talking about it? So we call that 1 is a root of this equation, x minus 1. Why? Because if I put 1 instead of x, I will get 0. Okay? So what does it mean here? Minus 2 is a root of p of x. It means if I replace x by minus 2, I will get an answer here is equal to what? To 0. So let's replace x by minus 2. So p of minus 2 is equal. What does it mean, p of minus 2? It means p of x, it means this. P of minus 2, it means replace x by minus 2. I will have a into minus 2 square minus 4 into, instead of x, remember I have minus 2 plus 5, and it should be equal to what? Should be equal to 0. Why? Because minus 2 is a root of p of x. Okay, so minus 2 times minus 2, it's 4. 4a minus 4 into minus 2 plus 5, it's equal to 3, equal to 0. That implies a is equal to what? To 3. Okay, it's easy. Just 12 over 4 is equal to 3. I'm done with part A. Now let's go into part B. So in part B, what do we have? Let e is equal to this thing here. Verify that e of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x minus 20. So I just multiply these things here. 4 into x squared minus 4 minus x plus 2 all together square. This is equal to what? 4x squared minus 16 minus x squared plus 4x plus 4. It's equal to 4x squared minus 16 minus x squared minus 4x minus 4. It's equal to what? 4x squared minus x squared, it's 3x squared minus 4x minus 16 minus 4, it's minus 20. Done. I got it. It's very easy. Okay, what about factorize e of x? Remember guys, when I have something like this, verify that I can benefit from this one in order to factorize of x. So e of x now is equal to this one, is equal to 4 into x squared minus 4 minus x plus 2 all together square. Okay, this is e of x. Let me clear the screen a little bit and then continue. Okay guys, so let me clean it. So remember, this is e of x. Sorry, this is e of x. Okay, so in order to factorize it, here I have x squared minus 4. Remember, video number 1 is very important. So I have x squared minus 4, so it's 4 into, this is like a squared minus b squared, it's equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. 4, I can write it as 2 squared, so x squared minus 2 squared, it's a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Minus, and this one also is a perfect square, I can write it as x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 2, and I'm writing it like this just for simplification. Now I have x plus 2, and x plus 2 is a common factor, so it's 4, it's x plus 2 common factor, and inside I will have 4 into x minus 2 minus x plus 2. So now again I have these brackets inside, I have to get rid of them, so I have x plus 2 outside, and inside I will have 4x minus 8 minus x minus 2 minus 2. So it's equal to x plus 2. 4x minus x is 3x minus 8 minus 2, it's minus 10. I'm done with factorizing. Okay guys, do you think it's hard? It's very easy. أحمد إذا ما راح تعرف تحل هيك سؤال مش عارف شو راح سوي فيك. Now solve the equation e of x is equal to 0. That implies this term here is equal to what? To 0. Let me change the color. This term here is equal to 0. نحن قلنا كمان إذا رقمين ضربهم صفر يعني واحد منهم شو راح يساوي؟ راح يساوي صفر. That implies x plus 2 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to x is equal to minus 2. Okay, هيدا أول شغلة. الشغلة الثانية 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. هيدا أول solution. تاني solution لما يكون في عنا 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. That means نقول ال 10 من هون لهون ننقلها للعشرة من هون لهون يعني 3x equal ل 10. ونغير الساين ما ننسى ما حدا يغلط ويخليها زي ما هي. والx شو بتساوي 10 على 3. اوكي وفينا نقول 10 على 10. We are done with now solve the equation e of x is equal to 10. كمان مرة تانية خليني ننظف سكرين شوي. عم بيقول لي هلا بهيدا السؤال suppose that x equal to 2 radical 2 plus 1 calculate x square. شو يعني calculate x square؟ يعني جيب هيدي اللي هون 2 radical 2 plus 1 وعملها شو؟ وعملها square. شو بتساوي هيدي a plus b square. شو بتساوي a square يعني 2 radical 2 square plus 2ab يعني 2 مضروبة ب 2 radical 2 مضروبة بواحد اللي هي مش مهمة plus b square اللي هي 1 square. شو بتساوي هيدي؟ هيدي اللي هون 4 لأنه 2 square 4 2 radical 2 square هي 2 يعني 8. 4 مضروبة ب 2 8 plus 2 radical 2 يعني 4 radical 2 plus 1 يعني شو بتساوي 9 plus 4 radical 2. اوكي خلصنا منها لهيدي قصة الاكس سكوير. شو عم بيقول لي؟ عم بيقول لي بيرجع بيقول لي calculate 2x plus 7 يعني حط محل الاكس 2 radical 2 يعني شو بتصير هيدي؟ هلا هون 2x plus 7 هيدي بتساوي ل 2 مضروبة محل الاكس شو اتفقنا رح نحط 2 radical 2 plus شو؟ plus 1 وهيدي البلس 7 هون هي plus 7. اضرب هيدي بهيدي شو بتطلع؟ بتطلع ل 4 radical 2 plus شو؟ plus 2. خلصنا من هيدي بلس ال 7 يلي عنا اياها بالاساس. يبقى شو بتطلع؟ بتساوي ل 4 radical 2 plus وات plus 9. شو عم بيقول لي هو؟ عم بيقول لي calculate هيدي and then compare the two numbers. لما يقول لي compare يعني شوف لي مين الاكبر، هن اكبر من بعض ولا بيساووا بعض ولا مين الاصغر and so on. As you can notice 4 radical 2 plus 9 و 9 plus 4 radical 2 هيدول شو هن هيدول؟ equal. So لما يقول لي compare بيقول له these two numbers are equal. اوكي ماشي. بيقول لي verify that x minus 2 is equal to 7 over x. I can verify it using two methods. واحدة direct in general وتاني واحدة I can replace x by its value and find if x minus 2 is the same as 7 over x. Okay, let me clear the screen again and so now I want to verify this. X minus 2 is equal to 7 over x. So if I want to verify it in general, I know that x square is equal to 2x plus 7. From this x square, when x is equal to 2 radical 2 plus 1, I know that x square is equal to 2x plus 7. We got the same value, remember? So I will take 2x from here to here. So x square minus 2x is equal to what? This is 7, okay? Is equal to 7. What does this mean? I will take x as a common factor. So this means that x into x minus 2 is equal to 7. Now I will divide by x here and here, provided that x is different from 0. X minus 2 is equal to 7 over x. This is the general method. Okay, I can do it by another way. Just replace x here by 2 radical 2 plus 1. Okay, this is the value of x minus 2 and prove that this value is the same as when I put 7 divided by x. Okay, It's very easy. You can do it alone. Okay, I have to finish now the video. It's approximately 10 minutes now. See you in the next video. Bye.